Hey there, geometry. We're going to do a quick lesson on rotations. Rotations are when you move a point or even a figure around a fixed point. That point is called the center of rotation. So if I had a point over here, we'll call it P. And I wanted to rotate that. Let's say I wanted to rotate it 120 degrees. First of all, you might ask yourself, well, which direction am I going? Am I rotating it that way or am I rotating it the other way? And what you can assume is that they're going to be talking about rotating things counterclockwise unless they say different. They'll specifically say it's clockwise if they don't. So if I say it's going to rotate 120 degrees around that point, what it means is it's going to stay that same distance away and it's going to just move 120 degrees. So the first thing I would do is measure this distance, kind of get a line there, or let's say it's 5 centimeters. And then I would put a protractor down here. I don't have one right now, but you get the idea. Put a protractor. Go to the 120 degree point, and you're going to rotate this line 120 degrees, that same distance. So I guess I have to get this guy out of the way. Anyway, the same distance, 5 centimeters out in the 120 degree range. Get rid of all this now. And your new point, P prime, the rotation of P is going to be there. If I had a figure here, doesn't really matter how complicated it is, let's just make a triangle. I would just do that same thing with all 3 points, with this point, this point, this point, and you're going to get a new figure over here, some kind of triangle, and it's going to be just rotated around. Okay? I don't think that's right, but you get the idea. There's a couple little more special cases, and I always kind of forget this. It's on page 241. So they give you, if there's a 90 degree rotation, if there's a 180 degree rotation, and if there's a 270 degree rotation. So think what that means. This means you're starting here and you're rotating at 90 degrees to there. 180 degrees, you're starting over here and you're rotating it around 180 degrees, so it's going to be over there. And then 270 is you're starting here, you're rotating it not only 180 degrees, but another 90 to there. So here's what they say in the book, okay? So the quick way to know if, like, you're on a coordinate plane and you have two numbers, what do they pick? They pick 5 and 2. So if you're at the point over 5 up 2, and you want to do a 90 degree rotation, then you're going to multiply the y coordinate by negative 1, sorry. Multiply the y coordinate times negative 1, and then you're going to flip the two coordinates. So multiply that by negative 1, you'll get 5, negative 2, and then interchange those. So the new point is going to be negative 2, 5. That would be a 90 degree rotation. For a 180 degree rotation, you multiply both coordinates by negative 1. So if you had 5, 2 here, you multiply them both by negative 1, and you're going to end up with negative 5, negative 2. If you want a 270 degree rotation, you multiply the x coordinate by negative 1 and you flip the 2. So 5, 2, multiply the x by negative 1 this time. So that's going to make it, it'll make it temporarily negative 5, 2, and then you interchange them, so you'll get 2, negative 5. Okay? So those are 3 kind of little more specialized cases. And I don't see anything more here. I think that's about it. Okay? Whoops, maybe I should get out of the way so you can see. Hope that made sense. All right, I'm out.